Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel, BrillionsMindz. Today, we are going to explore some of the most beautiful flowers in the world. Are you ready? Let's begin. This is a rose. The rose is known as the queen of flowers. It is a symbol of love, beauty, and romance. This is a sunflower. Sunflowers turn towards the sun as it moves across the sky. They look bright, happy, and full of energy. This is a lotus. The lotus grows in water and blooms beautifully. It is the national flower of India. This is a daisy. Daisies are small, simple, and charming flowers. They represent innocence and purity. This is a hibiscus. Hibiscus flowers are large and colorful. They are often used for decoration and traditional purposes. This is a tulip. Tulips come in many beautiful colors. They are very popular in many countries around the world. This is a marigold. Marigolds are bright orange and yellow flowers. They are commonly used in festivals and decorations. This is a lily. Lilies look elegant and graceful. They are often used in bouquets and special events. This is jasmine. Jasmine flowers are small and white. They have a sweet and pleasant fragrance. Today we learned about rose, sunflower, lotus, daisy, hibiscus, tulip, marigold, lily, and jasmine. Flowers make our world colorful and beautiful. Which flower is your favorite? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.